Hey, it's Shar. Welcome to my first clean with me refrigerator edition. Okay guys, I'm just showing you the inside of my fridge before I actually start cleaning. I already took the top shelf out and this is how it looks now. Alright guys, so I took the bottom drawer out. I am just scrubbing it, getting it all nice and clean, getting the gook and goo out of the corners, and just making sure it's nice, clean, and fresh. This is a product I'm using, lemon pine sol. And now I am cleaning out the second drawer. Gotta get the sides, y'all. Gotta get all around. Now guys, I am cleaning the top and the sides of the fridge where I took the shelf out. Just trying to get it all nice and clean before I start taking stuff out. Sorry guys, I will be moving in a minute. I'm in your way. Now I am going to start taking all of the items off of the shelf so I can clean this shelf. I get all the goodies out. I got my Prego in there, some mayo, all of the essentials. Hopefully you guys do not hear the lawnmower in the background. If you do, sorry. Of course somebody's mowing. And guys, this is an item that I love. It is from Target. It is the apple cider. It's not in season now, but I love it. And now I'm just gonna wipe down this shelf, get it all nice and clean. And I decided to actually take the shelf out so I really could get it nice and clean and get some of those stains and stuff scrubbed off of there. So that's what I'm doing now. And this is me taking items out of the second shelf. To actually take it out to clean. Now I am showing you guys how nice and clean the fridge looks, all wiped down, nice, fresh, and white, with all of the shelves taken out. This is a product I love, Fabuloso Lavender. It smells so good. And now I am going to start putting the shelves back in. This door did not want to stay out of my way, guys. Alright, that one wasn't too bad, guys, but the next shelf gave me some trouble, as you can see. Get in there, shelf. And the door was not cooperating either. I was fighting them both. Now I am wiping the bottom of my jars down so there's no stickiness that is on the shelf when I sit it down. And now I am showing you guys the clean fridge with the shelves put back in. I love it. Nothing like a clean fridge. Now guys, I'm going to tackle this side door, just showing you guys how it looks before I clean it out and clean it. Now I have taken out the top shelf, the butter drawer, and cleaned it where I put like butter, deli meats. I already cleaned the top shelf or drawer out. Here's the shelf. Now let me clean out the second drawer, get all the goodies out. And now this is the side door cleaned out and clean. Alright guys, now I put everything back in the fridge. Look how nice and neat that is. Did you guys notice I left the cleaner inside the fridge? So very clean, and then the door all nice and clean and organized. And this fridge wore me out, guys. My freezer was pretty much clean, but this refrigerator part did me in. So guys, now I need some wine. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.